Greetings WordPress webmasters, Christian from RackNerd here, and today we are diving into yet another exciting tutorial about local WordPress hosting. So if you're eager to set up a local environment for WordPress development on your machine, you are in for a treat. In this tutorial, we will be using Bitnami, a fantastic tool that simplifies the process of installing WordPress locally on Windows using its pre-built WordPress stack. And the crucial part is that it is no longer available on their website, which is why this is a very important video if you want that simple and fast approach instead of using the virtualization mode that is in the market today. In short, this is a much faster and simpler approach. But before we jump into it, let's quickly discuss why Bitnami is an excellent choice for local WordPress installations. And if you haven't checked out our previous video about the 6 ways to install WordPress on Windows locally and what is Bitnami, make sure to give it a watch for more insights. Now, let's get started. So what exactly is Bitnami and its pre-built WordPress stack? Well, Bitnami is a user-friendly web stack like LAMP or LEMP and other web stacks we commonly know. Just give it a Google search if you're not familiar with it. Another thing, Bitnami has a variety of packages that bundle everything you need with their WordPress stack, which includes Apache, MySQL, or its database, PHP, and WordPress core into a single setup. It streamlines the installation process and ensures smooth setup for supported applications for live and local development environments. Now let's roll up our sleeves and get hands-on with the installation process. First things first, ensure that you do have a Windows local machine or a Windows server ready to go, as this will be what we are using for this tutorial. If Bitnami is new to you, don't worry, we will cover the essentials in this tutorial. So let me share my screen here so we can kick off this step-by-step guide right now. Alright, so I'm sharing my screen with you now, and to begin, let's head over to the link in the description of this video and download the installer package for Bitnami's WordPress stack for Windows. So once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Bitnami simplifies the entire process, making it accessible for developers of all levels. During the installation, you'll be prompted to create your admin credentials and configure other settings, or follow the on-screen instructions to configure your WordPress setup for your admin credentials similar to mine. Just feel free to customize according to your preferences. For the sake of this tutorial, we will only focus on installing WordPress for the local development environment, so I will not be enabling anything related to launching a Bitnami on the cloud. Just keep in mind that this process may take a while depending on your internet speed. Also, some services may ask permission to go through your firewall, so please allow those services. Just simply hit allow if prompted. Next, after the installation is complete, launch the Bitnami WordPress stack from your desktop start menu. You'll notice a tab called Manage Servers, where you can start and stop the MySQL and Apache services. Ensure that both services are up and running by checking the status indicators. Now open your web browser and go to localhost/WordPress, and you should now be able to navigate to your local WordPress site. Feel free to log into your dashboard, and since our Bitnami WordPress stack is a bit outdated, please update the WordPress core until you are up to date with the latest version of WordPress. And that's it, your local WordPress environment using Bitnami's WordPress stack is now ready. Congratulations. And there you have it, you have successfully installed WordPress on Windows locally using Bitnami. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful web hosting guides and WordPress related videos. And if you're ready to take your WordPress projects online, visit RackNerd.com, your reliable web hosting partner. At RackNerd, you don't just get great web hosting experience, you also get to learn from a real systems administrator and a webmaster standpoint. So thank you for tuning in today, and let's catch up again soon. Happy WordPress hosting locally with Bitnami.